Okay, the market fell this morning, came down, made this low of 78 for the day, which was a pivot point also. Pushed back up into 84, 85, 84 level, 85 level. If it breaks this 82.25, I'll be looking to go short at 82. This is the low of 82.25. It may hold some support here, this level here. It breaks 82. Looking forward to retest around 80 and the 78 level. The market is down 6 points. I would like to see a pullback and then another retest. Fifteen-minute chart, the low is 82 on the 15-minute chart. On the hourly chart, we still have an open at 81.25, which can act as a support level. So it's going to consolidate in this area here. So the price is consolidating in this area here. So we have this price down. We have a bounce off this low. Consolidation and see if it pushes to the upside or the downside. It's trading in this 85, 80, 82.50 range, 82. And see which way it go. It's Friday. Expiration is next week. So I'm trading the December contracts. It expires December 19th. So I'm trading the December contracts now. It may go sideways for a while, and it may break out this low. It can do a couple of things. It can break down and have a breakdown fail and go up. It can go up and have a breakout fail and come back down. So we just have to wait, be patient, and try to find a setup. Now, if it breaks down and I decide to go short, if it breaks from this level, this would be my swing high, and I would put a stop above this level, maybe the 200 moving average. Let's see how many points. Let's see him gonna come back. Okay, it looks like it's breaking out to the bottom. See if it can keep the momentum up. Like I said, on the 15-hour chart, 15-minute chart. Oh, I'm sorry. On the 1-hour chart, it's the open is right here at the open is right here at 81.25. So see if it can, if it's just trying to stop people out and just play around with them in this area. It'll come down to the open and then go back up, and you think it's going short and they push it back up. You think it's going long and they push it back down. So right here they just consolidating a little bit. On the 15-minute chart looks good. If it breaks this, looks like it can have more downside. But I think they're gonna play around with this level before they make any type of moves. They're gonna get the shorts out. The 90% traders like me and you. If I was to go short one contract and I can only risk two points, they'll let me think it's going down. They'll come in and start taking the shorts out. So that's why I say be patient. I'm trying to be patient and not jump in on the first break of anything. Sometimes the first break goes and it works, and sometimes it doesn't. Remember, this is that 81.25 on the hourly chart. That's just playing around here. I'll come back in a second. Okay, we may be looking at a move lower. But as you see, it's still playing this range here. Came down, false breakdown. Came up, false breakout. Consolidated a little bit. Now it came down here, and I'll be taking a short. I want to go short because it's still a down day. But they just keep chopping the shorts out by going up. They're chopping the longs out by coming down. But it's a down day. So I am looking for a short. I am part of the 90% of traders, so let's see if us 90% traders can make some money. It didn't make the move down. Looks like it's holding this minor trend line. Break it is 81 level. We can see movement to the downside. Maybe back to 78, 25, maybe back to this low. If not, we see push up, break above this level, and maybe touch the 61.8 Fibonacci level at 86.44. Right now it's just consolidating in between this level here, the 85 and the 81. Just staying in between here. And we'll wait for a move. One way that 15-minute chart. Can this bar break down and make new lows past this low of 81.75? It can push lower. Have some buying in here though, in this area. And even on the bigger time frames, you see that it's just up and down in this area. So just have to be cautious and wait. See if it bounces off the 200 moving, the 20 moving average. Sorry about that, but sometimes this would be the part where it bounces off, but the moving average will come later. So later down the line, an hour, 2 hours later, like it bounced off that moving average, but you really can't catch it sometimes because it'll make the break down before the moving average even touches it. So it didn't make the move, so we'll come back in a minute. Okay, I'm taking a short at 91.50. I believe there's going to be some more downside. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. It made a break at its low, so I'm playing that break on a 15-minute, and hopefully there's more downside. We can come test the 78 level again. My stop is right above this high of the 15-minute at 83. So I'm looking at 81.50, 82, 83, about a point 3/4. 83, a point and a half. And see if I can 78 and see if I can get maybe 2.5 points out of here. So risking a point and a half to get 2.5 points, I don't think it's a bad risk to reward. Patient and let the trade play out. I don't like putting in my stops because they see that, they come get you. They come get your stops. They know a lot of people have their stops above here, this, and above here. Like I said, today it's kind of choppy, and they may chop me out of this market.